we want to give a special thanks to Playmobil for providing us with these toys. Season 7 of Spirit Riding Free is now on Netflix. And let me just say, the first episode was intense. To celebrate the new season, let's take a look at new toys. Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Playmobil DreamWorks Spirit Riding Free Lucky's Happy Home Playset for ages 4 and up. I have seen this playset online with a suggested retail price of $99.99 and a sale price of $79.99. It has 137 pieces. Just looking at the box, this house looks just like Lucky's house on the show. On the back of the box, you can see all items included, and it says that the figures are 2.95 inches tall. Let's get this out of the box for a closer look. Adult assembly is required. The holidays are coming up, which means a lot of playsets, so we better get used to it. Here are the instructions. Whoa, it's like a book. Well, it's only 16 pages, so I guess it's not that bad. Let's get started. Assembled, it has a lot of detail, like a weather vane that can move, the windows open, and I can't get over how adorable this little porch is, with stairs in the front and on the side. Turn it around, and there are stairs in the back as well. We have to assemble all of the furniture, like the kitchen table, a green cabinet with white drawers. The drawers work so you can store some stuff in there. Place it against the wall. Here is a stove with a rolling pin that really rolls. Store utensils on the little hooks. Place the stove under the stairs. There is a secret space in the floor under a little hidden door. I'm gonna place the rug on top of that so no one knows it's there. And the table. Assemble the sink. Place it next to the stove. Put together another storage space. It has decorations on the top that match the table and working drawers. Add chairs, pots, pans, and dishes. Don't forget a homemade pie, Aunt Cora's homemade pie. Aunt Cora is wearing her signature lace top, skirt, and boots. Everything must be prim and proper. Oh, hello there, Clancy. Yeah, Aunt Cora has a pet goose named Clancy. Now let's turn our attention to a few things outside the house. We have a little patch of grass with a fence. We can place some flowers right in front. Here's a barrel, a tiny little mouse, bluebirds, and last but not least, here is Spirit and Lucky. Lucky is wearing her signature boots, blue pants, and a red top. She comes with 2 apples so she can give Spirit a treat. Spirit is taller than Lucky, and you can move his head so he can do a little grazing. Right before the 2 of them ride off to the frontier. Would you believe this is my very first Playmobil set? I am very impressed with all of the details. The house is beautiful. There is a lot of room to play on the inside. There are more play sets available so we can decorate the house, which we are going to need because our upstairs is a little bare. I wonder what other dolls can fit this playset. We might be able to use it with our calico critters. Oh, she is so cute in there. Party Pop Teenies might be too small, but little shoppies are perfect. What about my Vanellope action figure from Wreck-It Ralph 2? It could work. Our littlest pet shops could be comfortable here. And it is perfect for LOL Surprise. Thank you for joining me while we took a look at Playmobil, Spirit Riding Free, Lucky's Happy Home. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.